One of the tricks of copywriting is communicating with the buyer in a way where the buyer feels like you are talking specifically to them and not talking to anyone else. Like they should feel like, oh my God, this is me being described perfectly and none of my other friends. Now there's a catch here. So for example, if you sell a premium car polish, if your copy was to say, buy this product to give your car this incredible shine, well, yes, it is personalized, but it's very clear to the reader that you are going to say that because that's a very obvious benefit that they were looking for. So it actually doesn't work at all. So what you're looking for are adjacent benefits. So you have to kind of go a few degrees further to find out why would they care about a car polish. Let's assume you're selling a car polish that's much more expensive than the competition, 30% more. So you have to really ask yourself, why would they pay such a premium for a car polish? Well, maybe because they have a very valuable car. Nobody would do this for a very inexpensive car. So it's a valuable car. It is valuable to them. Why would that matter? Well, maybe because they care deeply about this car. Maybe they enjoy spending time with this car on the weekends, and their family and their loved ones actually think that's a stupid hobby, but they love it anyway. It's their, they've given their life to, raising a family, having a job. Bits and pieces of their life have been taken away, but this is the one thing that they do that they're proud of. It's personal to them. It has nothing to do with anyone else. So what you could do is you could essentially construct a line of copy that says, we give so much of ourselves away and we have so little left for ourselves. And yes, it does seem self-indulgent to, spend a little extra on a car polish to polish a car that you don't even drive around so much, but we do it because it's meaningful to us. Now, the reader never told this to you, and so to them, it's going to feel like magic. This is much better than saying, make your car look amazing, because it's kind of like a magic trick, right? If you can see the trick happening, it's not interesting. If the magician can do something that you didn't see happening, and then it's much more startling. So think about second order benefits, goes to even third order benefits, and this is how you can actually make your copy feel more personal.